everybody? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm going to pick up Austin, and then guess where we're headed? Eastern Washington again. Let's go, boys. Been about 2 weeks since we've been out, I think. Just need a break from work. Anthony got some time off, so around the same time this year we started catching a bunch of bass, and so I'm really hoping that this time is going to be the same. It's the end of April. Tomorrow's going to be May 1st, and yeah, I'm just really excited for this trip. Definitely need it. We're going to do some fishing, Austin and I, before we come back to pick up Elvin. So yeah, I'll turn the camera back on when we're at the lake, and yeah, see you guys soon.
Oh man.
All right, Austin just hooked up on a 4-pounder.
4-pounder, first cast.
First cast.
First cast.
All right, let's see the release.
Let's get a release. Oh. All right.
Look at its eye. It looks like it's blind in that eye.
Yeah. All right.
Gave you a shower. All right, I just hooked up on a 3-pounder. Big mama right here.
So fat.
Here's the release. Oh, we're gonna release her.
Oh, splashed again.
Why do all these fish do that? Come on. I got splashed too this time. I guess I forgot to shower.
I don't have a peg for my weight, but
I lied, I did not break in the fluorocarbon at all.
oh my god, what a perfect cast. Oh yeah. Look at these nerds.
On YouTube?
What's up? What's
up?
You guys
the
are
Voodoo
famous.
Fishing Gang just pulled up.
Keep going, keep going.
We're about to fish right here. Hey, fishing at sand dunes. We're about to see what we can do. We got like another hour before we go walleye fishing, so let's see it.
I missed it on cam.
Oh baby, that's
That's like a pounder.
that's a good first fish right there of the year.
All right, you're not Rackley.
That is a good first fish. Look at that beat. Let's go.
That's the first bass.
Thank you. Oh.
Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Found it.
No, I wasn't. I didn't have my camera on. Whoops. Thanks, man.
All right, well,
Dude.
I'm inspired. I'm inspired again.
Is that a good 2-pounder? Oh yeah. Flip him, Austin, you have braid on. Oh, I thought you lost him.
Oh yes. Oh
yes.
yeah, that's a nice fish.
Yes.
That's probably a 2-pounder.
I was just flipping.
That's like a solid 2.
Yeah, that's a good 2.
That's a good 2.
Look at his eye. It's white like the other one too.
Oh yeah, like the one I caught this morning?
Yeah.
That's a nice fish.
What's with
dude.
you in catching blind fish, Austin? Wait, look at it, the top of his lip.
Yeah, look how red that is.
Oh yeah.
That's all prawns.
Oh,
man.
yeah.
yeah.
Got that lipstick on, baby.
Go. Same spot as I was earlier. Oh gosh. Seems like they're liking the black and blue color. Oh, I could get out there good. Oh, no way. No way. Let's go, Ben!
Ben, pull it, let's go right there. I can't grab it, Ben, pull it.
Oh no way! That's a nice fish.
What did I tell you, man?
Oh dude!
What did I tell you, man? Holy! What did I tell you?
Let's go, man!
Let's go!
Yes. Here, let me look at this guy.
Oh yeah, that's a fat bass, dude.
Let's get the scale.
All right, fishing for the day is finished. Look at that view. But yeah, a decent day one. Caught on some nice fish. I caught like a 1 pounder, maybe. A little dink to start off this year, but Ben caught his personal best, 219. That's a solid largie. Austin got another 2 pounder. A few missed bites, but overall, not a bad first day. Enough talk. We're gonna head to the hotel now. Maybe no, not the hotel. We're gonna grab some food first, then the hotel, and some much needed sleep. Catch you guys soon.
It's like 5 a.m. Head out from the hotel. Alright. But it's supposed to be raining. It's supposed to be pretty tough conditions, but we've caught fish in worse conditions, right? Yeah. So, hope we can get on a big one today. Stay tuned.
Oh no way. Alvin, no way.
It's alright.
Oh yes.
Yeah!
Oh, that's your PB.
That's my PB.
Disrespect.
That is your PB, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's like a.
That's a solid.
That might be pushing two.
No, that might be pushing P.
Pushing P.
Good shit,
Hey.
bro. Hey, was the GoPro rolling?
No.
Oh, you suck.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
No, that might be 2.
1-8 on the dot.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, got it. That's pushing 2. Hey, that's a good fish. Let's break it today, yeah?
Definitely. All right, baby.
1-8?
Yeah.
PB? Slowly getting there.
Yeah.
Here we go, Ben. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that's a nice one, Ben. No, you don't need to. Just keep working that area. Just keep working that area. Just keep working that area. Good thing you have 40-pound braid on. No, don't get stuck right there. Please don't get stuck right there.
Oh, it's like
Get in the boat.
it's like the same size as mine from yesterday.
Yeah. Woo! I was recording too. That's a good 2-pounder. Go on, buddy. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. There you go. There you go. That's a good spot right there, Ben. Work that area. I want to see you bring in that 4-pounder. Remember, if you start getting hits, just nail them.
All right, guys. It's time for redemption. We're walking to the spot, and I've been skunked all of yesterday and all of today. It's only, check the time real quick, 6:52. All right. So we still got a lot of daylight left. The day's only starting.
Close enough. Anything over there? Austin, anything over there? For real? That's money cast.
Going it way out there next to the structure, the wood. It's still cold. All right. So we got the crawl on. I'm gonna throw a quick pitch in before we approach the spot. You know? That was horrible.
Got this baby here. About to release him. Woo!
Yeah, I was just thinking that too. Blue said. Bro, just go grab my drop shot.
364.
364.
364.
Oh, dude.
What a chunk.
Yeah! Good stuff, Elvin. Oh my god.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Oh my god.
You asked what it was, Elvin. Here it is, Elvin. Here it is.
There you go. That's a little chunk.
Oh, yeah.
Probably like a pound.
Beck, you hold my rod? I don't want to.
That's probably like a pounder, maybe.
Yeah.
You grabbed my fish.
Oh, dude, he has a chunk of wood in his mouth.
Does he?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
That's because he.
But you didn't catch it, so you don't get the $20.
There you go. All right.
Oh, it's a largie. No, no, don't go on the rocks. Don't go on the rocks. Bronze back, dude. Get her, Anthony? Dude, that thing is fat. Okay, let me get down there.
That is a football, man.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Barely hooked. Okay, that is. Well,
All right.
well, good thing I got my drop shot hat on.
Yeah,
Here, you want a picture?
sure.
Dude, it looks huge.
All right.
This is solid too.
Don't want to fall in the water. There you go.
Are you okay?
Owen, don't stand so close to the water. You see how wet it is? That's slippery.
Yeah, Owen. I wasn't even standing close to the water. I slipped.
Because like people fillet them and they just toss them back in. Oh sh!
I really like using these crawls. They're called the D-bombs, I believe. Simple Texas rig with a. I believe this is a 1/4 ounce tungsten weight. I have it pegged. Fishing 40, straight 40-pound braid. What we're doing is you can either cast it out there or just pitch it out there, basically. Just let it drop. We're using this, or we're losing a lot of jigs out here, aren't we, Austin? I think Billy lost like 5 jigs so far. Austin lost 2.
No, I didn't. Okay? Lost 1.
But the water's pretty dirty, so that's why I'm using this darker colored crawl. What'd you say? What'd you say?
If he was a real lion. Yes, sir.
We're just working this whole rock ledge right here. But here's my setup: is Shimano Chronarch paired with a heavy power 7.4 Mojo Bass in by St. Croix. I love these rods. My whole arsenal is just St. Croix rods.
Let's go. Yep. Yep. Oh. Let's go. Yes, sir.
It's 2.7.
Yeah. 2.7, just like it called. Time to let this big girl go. Into the rock. She'll come back out.
Oh, that's like a 3-pounder. Maybe not 3. No, that's
Maybe
not
like
3.
another 2.8.
That's another high. That's high 2s. Dude, that thing's got a belly on it.
They're pre-spawning, mate.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, they're pre-spawning for sure.
Yeah. They're feeding.
Fat fish.
That's fat, dude. Okay, let's see if I can get the release on this one. Oh yeah. All right, let's see that release. Looks a lot bigger in the water. Look at the slightly red lips.
Oh Jesus.
Careful.
Oh. That thing is huge.
Wait, what was it? This one?
353.
3? No.
Go boys. Wait, no one took a picture.
Fine.